I'm back. Well, not really back, but you can come over here. Yeah, you can come over here. I took just like a break, I guess, from making videos. I have a job. I don't know if you guys saw the last video I made like a long time ago, but I got a job. Why are you being so needy? Just a quick update. I don't know what else to say. Got a job and I'm happy. And I'm gonna work on getting promoted. My dog gets to know what she wants to do. Can you lay down? Anyway, point of this video. This is a what's in my bag video. And this is my bag that I got from Claire's. And as you can see, it's packed full of crap. So we'll get started right now. Well, first on top is my makeup bag. And all my stuff in it. You know, just makeup stuff, just to, I guess I can go through it. Eyeliner, blush brush. I just keep all my brushes in here except for like one I think is upstairs, which is, go figure, my angled brush. Bobby pins. Another brush. Just eyeshadow. I just have my I usually just get my small 4 palettes in here. This one is, stop dropping it, I'll tell you. Smoky Eyes. I don't know what it's called. Stylish Smokes. Amethyst. I think it's called Amethyst, but it's can you wait? I'm recording a video. Lord. And that's by Maybelline. Just looks like this. And this is just called Union Square, I believe. Another little quartet thing, which I'm wearing right now. I just like it because it's the neutral colors. I just put like click stuff in this bag here, and there's really not a whole lot else in here. I have like these, I'm not sure what this is. It's really all in there. It's a bunch of crap, and I have random little eyeshadows. Like these 3 I really don't wear. I just don't know. I just stuffed them in there. Just eyeshadows. This one is, it's called Charcoal. It's a gray color. Yeah, I'll let you guys look at it. Good lord, that's so much stuff. What's in my bag? Everything. It's a gray. This is called Turquoise, and obviously it's like a bluish turquoise color. I think it's more blue than turquoise, but whatever. I don't really use these. Like, I use this one and the gray a lot. This is called Lilac, and it's light purple. These are all kind of shimmery. There's cheap $1 eyeshadows I don't really wear anymore. I need to go to MAC. This goes in there. I have my keys. This is my nifty little bottle opener. My wallet. It's my wallet. And in my wallet I have gift cards that I don't use. My driver's license. Philo card. The gas card, I believe. And this is awesome. My berry card. This is frozen yogurt, and it's the best thing ever. Apparently we have one like that around here, but I haven't been yet. So, I have sunglasses. Ooh, it's my little mirror thingy. I really like it. It's just shiny. My brush. Ew. Nuts in my hair. I love the handle on this thing. Do you guys see the handle? That's all I like. squishy. It's so cool. It's very awesome. I don't even know why I got this. And this is in there for some reason. So, Sassy, stop! My dog's barking at me. Well, she's not barking, but she's grunting. It's a bracelet I'm making. Sharpie, because I'm always drawing. This is in there too. A sketchbook. I'm going to show you something I drew in here. I don't think I finished it yet, but I'm still working on it. Work in progress. I can't talk. Words. English aren't hard, as my friend would say. And this is something. I have a lot of crap in here. And now things are falling off the couch. Yay. Ooh, CDs. Tool CD. And this one's apparently in the car. What's random stuff in here? What else is in here? Ooh, lotion. This is Charm Life. It smells awesome. So I love how purses with this random crap in them. Let's see what else is in here. Pencils and a pen. Let's see. Mascara, which should be my makeup bag. Excedrin. Awesome. This is just normal stuff, actually. That's not as normal, but I also have a sketchbook in my bag. This is just an eraser. Pretty sure I have one of those in my makeup bag, too. Bottle cap. It's like a soda cap, too. Manicure set. Oh, there's something else in here. Oh. My camera. Okay, I think that's all. Ow. This was in my bag. I just tried to play it off as it was. This thing's heavy, and let's see what we open to randomly. I don't want to make those, but okay. Something I need to use, make stuff with. Yeah. That's all. I just want to do a silly video. This is what was in my bag. It's kind of crazy. And I hope you guys have a good day. I will try to vlog later. My dog is being annoying. I don't know if you hear her, but she's like, she's crying at me. But anyway, I'm gonna go. I hope you guys have a good day. I love you all. If you haven't had a good day, hope your day gets better. It is late here though, so the day's almost over. Have my day off tomorrow too. Bye. I will see you guys later. Have a good day. Bye.